Struggling to find the upload button in the YouTube Studio app? In 5 minutes, you'll know exactly how to upload and publish your video. You've already got the video ready to go. All we need to do is get it from your gallery onto your channel. We'll start by opening the app. Then select your file, fill in the details, and publish. Let's go step by step. So first things first, open up the YouTube Studio app. Once you're in, you'll see your channel dashboard. This is your command center. Now, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a camera icon with a little plus sign. That's your Create button. Tap it. This is the main button you'll use anytime you want to add something new to your channel, whether it's a video or a short. I've used this button dozens of times, and it's always the first stop. Once you tap that, you'll get a couple of options. You want to pick Upload a Video. This will open up your gallery. Scroll through and find the video you want. Tap on it to select it. It might take a moment to process, especially if it's a longer file. Just give it a second. All right, so now that the video is loaded in, we need to give it some identity. The first thing you'll see is the title field. This is super important. Your title is what people see first in search results and in their feed. I always recommend keeping it clear and descriptive. YouTube gives you 100 characters, so make each one count. What's the video about? Put that right in the title. Next, we move down to the description. This is where you can add more context. Tell people what they're about to watch. You can include links, but keep it natural. Just a couple of sentences explaining the video is plenty. This helps YouTube understand what your content is about, too. Now, let's talk about the thumbnail. This is your video's first impression. Tap the pencil icon on the current thumbnail. You can choose a frame from your video or upload a custom image from your gallery. I usually go with a custom image because it lets me control exactly what people see. A good thumbnail really makes a difference. Here's an important one. You need to set the audience. YouTube asks you whether your video is made for kids or not. This is not optional. You have to answer it honestly based on your content. If your video is for kids, select yes. If not, select no. I've seen creators get caught out on this one, so take a second to think about it. Now, the visibility setting. This decides who sees your video and when. You have 3 options. Public means your video goes live immediately. Private means only you can see it. And unlisted means anyone with the link can watch, but it won't show up in search or on your channel. You can also schedule a specific date and time if you want to release it later. Pick the one that fits your plan. And here we are, the final step. Tap the Upload button at the bottom. This will start processing your video. YouTube will take a bit to get it ready and published based on your settings. That's it. You've just uploaded a video from your computer. From hunting through menus to uploading with confidence, you now know exactly how the YouTube Studio app works. Get your next video ready, open the app, and follow these same steps. It gets easier every time.